Hey guys, welcome back to Dinner with Drew. Tonight we're having mashed potatoes. I added some vegan cheese, mixed vegetables. We're trying the vegan meatballs again, and of course that garlic bread that I love. And then we have the rest of my Dr. Pepper that I had for lunch. So good. So I'm gonna get a quick thumbnail and then we can start eating. All right. I'm just mix up the mashed potatoes. I know this box is smaller, so it might look like a hot mess, but mashed potatoes, mixed vegetables. Let me put them like that. And then the veggie meatballs. And this time has a lot of mixed vegetables. I think they just put this batch out because the mashed potatoes were full and they were piping hot, and then last time they didn't give me as many. Hot. And then I got an extra side of mashed potatoes. She hooked it up. Like, she gave me big portions. Mashed potatoes are so good. I love them. Plus, it's so hot to put the oven on. I was gonna make I was gonna do mashed potatoes or potato tacos with the mashed potatoes, and then I was gonna have my own corn at home and put corn in it and cheese. But I was like, you know what? It's just too hot. I'm already hungry, so I'll figure out what I'm gonna do tomorrow with the second scoop of mashed potatoes. So I'll try to think of something creative. I want to do the KFC bowl, but what happened? I didn't do it. I don't have any more of the chicken nuggets, like the popcorn chicken nuggets anymore. And I just bought a bag of the chicken patty, so we'll have to work with that until I finish it. Let's see how my bread is today. I think these were fresh too, but they were they just get hard so quick. That part's soft. I missed you guys. I haven't filmed. Well, no, I did film. That's what I was gonna tell you guys. I filmed a loose meat sandwich with fries, and recorded 12 seconds in the beginning, and then realized I wasn't recording, so I recorded for like 1 minute and 12 seconds. So I insert the clip. I never pressed record. Well, this was a loose meat sandwich with fries. Wow, I'm just talking up a storm. I have no words because I already said everything. But yeah, I made a loose meat sandwich, like from the Roseanne Barr show. It just had cheese and it had some fries. I had Dr. Pepper. All right, you guys, we're just gonna call it a wrap there. All right, okay, bye. I was trying to do something different. If you guys watched the Roseanne show, they used to have a restaurant and they sold loose meat sandwiches. But I think it originated, don't quote me, I think I heard them say Iowa or Montana, I'm not sure. I think a Roseanne show, they just have the loose meat. I think I added cheese to mine, and then I've seen it with onions or green peppers. So it's like a sloppy Joe without the mix, and not a manwich. That's different. I ate sloppy Joes growing up, not manwich. But yeah, I was like all excited. So I'm like, oh, loose meat, there's something different. I used the last of my plant-based crumbles. And didn't press record. It's like they're good. They're way better than I like them better than the plant-based. But it still has a strong taste, but way better. I like them way better than the plant-based balls. Can you see inside? Hold on. See the vegetables inside. But I think that's all I can do. I was just trying to try it again. I'm sure it's better with the gravy, but of course I don't get gravy unless it's plant-based. And I don't know any place that has it. Like even some vegan restaurants around me, they don't have gravy. It's like either, most of them are like fast food places where they sell like chicken nuggets and Beyond Burger and stuff like that. They don't have like mashed potatoes and gravy. So I'd probably have to go like to LA for sure. Or, yeah, no, because I've looked up some vegan places around here and I haven't seen any mashed potatoes and gravy. But I want to come on and say hi to you guys. See what you're up to, what you're eating. The last, I think this is gonna be, let me see. Oh yeah. With mashed potatoes, man. So good. I should just buy a bag. Because I think you can buy a bag frozen. They're the same thing. So I'm like, so I can just always have them in the freezer, you know? All right, you guys, that is it for today. That's all I'm gonna have. You know I'm gonna want to snack later because this is not enough food. But like I said, I was just trying to give it a second try, but I did it for a second time, so I probably won't get it again. And then I will think about something good to make with those mashed potatoes for you guys tomorrow. As always, thank you so much for rocking with me. We're almost at 450 subscribers. I'm at 449. So hopefully next time I do a video, I'll be at 450. Again, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye. Don't forget to look at my Instagram and my TikTok. And I think I did that the wrong way. Sometimes I point the wrong way. But anyways, thank you guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.